Today, we are going to tour 2948 East Clarendon Avenue in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. Welcome to this beautifully remodeled townhome. This beautifully upgraded two-story townhouse is ideally situated in a central location close to the airport, Old Town Scottsdale, and downtown Phoenix. Enjoy modern living with top-of-the-line appliances that enhance your cooking and dining experience. An open-concept layout creates a bright and airy atmosphere, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. This townhome offers beautiful wood-look tile flooring throughout, as well as an internal laundry with a washer and dryer for your convenience. This unit also comes with 2 covered parking spots and an additional shared spot with the neighbor. It is perfectly positioned to provide easy access to all the best that the area has to offer. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring the vibrant nightlife of Old Town Scottsdale, or enjoying the cultural attractions of downtown Phoenix, you'll find everything within a short drive. Upstairs, there are 2 additional bedrooms and a well-appointed bathroom, offering flexibility and convenience. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Here we have a large primary suite featuring a walk-in closet, as well as a lovely bathroom with a walk-in shower. And finally, here is a quick tour of the outdoor space, perfect for some al fresco dining. Thank you for watching today's tour, and have a wonderful day.